Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Very impressive day here on MFA. What do I mean by that? Well, to set up some context, I realize I'm probably stating the obvious, but at one point, the price was actually all the way down to that area right there. And then from that point, a very, very impressive movement back to the upside. Now, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it ultimately closed and worked its way up to, definitely a very impressive movement. But that doesn't bring about the more than valid question of, yeah, it made a nice move, but is there any sort of true power behind it? And I have no idea. But what I do know is we can keep an eye on a level that, will introduce common sense to us. And that common sense point is down here at $2.36. Why is this area important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that if price movements are truly strong, well, then the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. Hopefully you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, that's a very commonsensical statement to say. So with that being said, let's say this happens. I'm not saying it will, but for explanation's sake, price comes down here to that level and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, it would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, like we just said, it's just simply not a sign of true power, right? I should be stating the obvious when I say that. But now, to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows. You picture those as stair steps. Well, at that point, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 236. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about this level right up there at $2.50. So keep a close eye on that moving forward. But all in all, from how things started to how things played out, nice move. Now let's just see if the price can build upon this movement moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.